Well, hey, welcome to another edition of Handmade Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Doing 3 for 3. I made some tank cars. I saw this Millet car. I saw it in Amsterdam. I thought, man, that's a pretty car. Wanted to make one for a while and finally got around to it. They also seem to have these sort of unnamed, no-name version of it. It was like repaired, etc. It sort of had that big black stripe. You got a whole bunch of different versions of it. I like this one with the whole bottom has a long, constant piece. So I made the no-name version and the Millet version of it as well. Simple microtrain couples on the bottom. I like the way the rails come out. It's got little black back, like reflectors in the back. I don't know. It's what the real one had, so that's what I make. I can walk around West Haven, Amsterdam, take some photos, and do my best to make a small version of it. And color's pretty easy. Again, this is a 4-color. It's hard to see because the blue's kind of dark, but I put it in the blue in the Millet, which is what it has. And I actually made the stairs and the top grate is a separate piece, so you can make that same or different color than the body. So I'm trying to make it similar but different. It doesn't really come out that different in this version. I might make slightly more strong contrasts if I did it again. But anyway, simple tank car, get it on Colts, print yourself some tank cars, haul some fuel, save the world. That's what you do with your trains. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check it out next time. This was Handmade Tracks and 3D Printed Trains. I had 2 shots to practice a song, and now it's not insane. So watch the train and see some song, and watch some song and see some train. The song just ended a few moments ago. I'm telling you the song ended. I'm telling you the song ended.